Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 26 in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 88 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz, click start quiz. Here you see February 26 question and total 2 option, in which one option is the correct option, and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 1, which is true, is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.